Hello everyone, today we'll be going over how to become a loctician, braider, or natural hairstylist in your city. I'm located in the Las Vegas area, so we will start off with the specifics about becoming a loctician or braider or natural hairstylist in this city. To begin, when I first started, I was like, let's go to Google because we Google everything, we YouTube everything, and now TikTok. I did all of that and I got so many different answers. But once I got down to it and I found the correct answers after talking to different stylists who had it, I came up with this. First thing you need to do is go to the state board website in your city. So for me, that would be Nevada State Board of Cosmetology. Once I got there, I typed in braider's license or natural hair license in my city. Then I went through the first couple of steps they had to do. So first off, we started with an affidavit. The affidavit basically states that you need 1 year of practice on a relative. Basically, what you do is you fill it out, you put your whichever relative whose hair you did for the course of a year. You put their name on the paper. You sign the date you started doing their hair and to the date you're filing for your license, basically. And it needs to add up to a year. Then you'll take it to a notarizer. I just went to my local post office and I got it notarized. After that, you will email it back to the state board office with a picture of your photo ID. After doing that, they will email you. It usually takes a couple of days because they do tend to get busy, but don't worry. I think it took about a week for mine. When I got the email back, they sent me dates to choose from to take my practical exam. The practical exam, basically what you're going to do is you're going to go to the state board in your city and you'll need a kit. In your kit, you're going to need braiding hair, a weft or weave, thread and needle, combs, braiding product, all your clips and everything for each section of the test. There are 4 sections to the test. The first section of the test, which it'll all need to be in its own Ziploc bag, will be your cornrow braid. So you need to be able to braid one straight braid with just their natural hair from the front to the back. You'll need a separate combs and clips for that section as well on top of your braiding gel. You'll need your barbicide, your spray bottle for when you're combing and detangling, and your mannequin and stand. After that one, you have another cornrow braid, but this will be more of a feed-in braid where you have to add the fake hair into it, and you'll need all the same setup as well. Then we'll go into a vertical braid. And what the vertical braid is, well, a vertical braid across the center of the head, and it needs to be secured tightly to the head because you will be sewing a weft to it. So you'll get your weave hair and thread your needle and sew it into the hair. After that, you have to do an individual braid, which is this is the last part of the practical exam. The individual braid, you don't need to add any hair. It just needs to be one box braid straight down, braided to the end, tightly secured. And that's it for your practical.